welcome to House My Home. Living in a rented space doesn't mean you have to settle for a lifeless kitchen. Whether it's a corner tucked into a studio or a snug alley layout, you deserve a space that reflects your personality. With just a few budget-friendly tweaks and a splash of imagination, your kitchen can transform into the heart of your home, warm, functional, and uniquely yours. Ready to reimagine your space? Removable decor, style without commitment. Say goodbye to bland walls and hello to personality. Peel and stick wallpapers let you create a statement backdrop with zero damage. Add magnetic spice racks for a splash of color and function, or hang artwork using adhesive strips that won't leave a mark. Mood lighting, brighten up the vibe. Harsh overhead lighting can make any space feel sterile. Soften the mood with string lights draped along shelves, or add a clip-on lamp to spotlight your favorite coffee nook. Small lighting changes can dramatically shift the ambience. Smart storage, make the most of every inch. Tiny kitchens demand clever storage solutions. Stackable bins keep pantry items neat and accessible, while over-the-door organizers turn dead space into utility central. Open shelving lets your essentials double as decor, especially if you embrace cute canisters or colorful dishware. Color play, splash life into everyday moments. Inject energy into the room with pops of vibrant color. Dish towels, table mats, and utensil holders in bold tones can liven up even the most neutral kitchen. It's a simple way to create visual joy without commitment. Window refresh, let the light in. Fresh air and natural light are instant mood boosters. Swap out old blinds for sheer curtains that welcome sunshine while adding softness to the space. Adhesive window treatments also give a clean look while staying rental-friendly. Instant backsplash, personality and appeal. Stick-on backsplash tiles offer texture, pattern, and charm, all without a drop of grout. Go for a classic subway tile look or something more playful. It's an easy upgrade that gives the illusion of a custom kitchen. Small touches, big impact. Every detail, no matter how small, can elevate your space. These upgrades are removable, affordable, and high on impact. Best of all, they help you turn your kitchen into an extension of your style and personality. kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's where morning routines begin, midnight snacks happen, and small daily rituals unfold. And yes, even in a rental, it can be a reflection of your creativity, comfort, and personal flair. With these simple upgrades, you're not just decorating a space, you're reclaiming it. So go ahead, hang those peel and stick tiles, drape the fairy lights, and let your spice rack tell its own story. Because home isn't about ownership, it's about feeling at home in your own